In today's video, I will be making this Star Trek themed clock out of MDF, and perhaps you can help me figure out why it didn't turn out exactly as I'd hoped. I must say I am both impressed and disappointed with how this project turned out. The carving portion came out good, but I've decided I should stop using MDF for projects like this. It sucks up paint and is a poor surface to work with. The disappointment comes from the paint job. The gold looked pretty good before I masked it. I'm not sure what went wrong. Was it the paint? The tape? The fact that I set it over a heater vent to speed drying? If you have any thoughts, please leave a comment below. Anyway, on my shelf from a distance, it still looks pretty good, and I think it's good to show that not every idea turns out well. Well, that's it for this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.